Are you suffering from dry or damaged hair, frizzy hair, thinning hair, hair loss, dandruff, or scalp issues, and want a solution that really works to all these issues? You don't have to worry anymore because I'm going to reveal a secret infusion. I name it Super Oil, which will solve all your hair problems. We all know how beneficial coconut oil is for hair, right? But what if we mix this secret oil in coconut oil that makes your hair grow 10 times faster and make your hair look more beautiful and nourished? But despite knowing the remedy of my super oil, if you make these mistakes, you will never be able to benefit your hair properly from hair oiling. So first, know the mistake that you should never make. Mistake number 1, poor scalp massage. Avoiding scalp massage. Yes, the scalp massage is a crucial step in hair oiling. Not only does it feel heavenly, but it also promotes blood circulation to the scalp, essential for healthy hair growth. Aim for at least 5 minutes of gentle circular motion to get the full benefit. Mistake number 2, lukewarm oil instead of overheated oil. Yes, lukewarm oil is great to open hair cuticles, providing deep penetration, but overheating can damage its beneficial properties. So make sure to have lukewarm oil instead of overheated for better and faster results. Mistake number 3, neglecting the ends. Oh my god, while massaging oil into your scalp, don't forget the ends, the hair ends. Yes, they tend to be drier and more prone to split ends. Apply a small amount of oil to the tips to keep them nourished. Now let's start to make our super oil remedy. Yes, the first oil we need to make the super oil is the oil we all know, coconut oil. Yes, coconut oil is ideal for repairing damaged hair and providing deep moisture. It also prevents dryness and help combat dandruff. It contains omega-3 fatty acid which thicken hairs and prevent split ends. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft, nourishing and moisturizing them. Now let's reveal the second ingredient. The second oil we need is rosemary oil. Yes, rosemary oil offers several benefits for hair health. It stimulates blood flow to the scalp, which strengthens hair follicles by improving circulation. It creates a healthy environment for hair strand to grow. Some studies even suggest that rosemary oil is as effective as minoxidil in promoting hair growth. The stimulating properties of rosemary oil help prevent hair loss by nourishing the hair follicles and preventing them from being starved of blood supply. Regular use of rosemary oil may lead to an increase in the size and number of hair follicles. This can contribute to thicker and fuller hairs. Rosemary oil is believed to slow down premature graying of hair, keeping your hair look youthful. Now here's a super effective hair remedy using coconut oil and rosemary oil, and here how we're gonna apply it. You need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 5 to 7 drops of rosemary essential oil. Mix the coconut oil and rosemary oil in a small bowl. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, and yes, don't forget the tips of the hairs. Massaging gently for a few minutes to ensure even distribution. Leave the mixture on for at least 30 minutes, allowing the oil to penetrate your hair and scalp. Afterward, shampoo your hair as usual to remove the oil. This remedy can help nourish your scalp, promote hair growth 10 times faster, and leave your hair feeling soft and healthy. It also stops your hair fall, make your hair look thicker and fuller. So, we have talked about hair care, but if you are worried about your skincare routine and don't understand which product to include in your skincare routine and how it works, Or if you are worried because wrinkles are appearing on your face very visibly and you want to get rid of them quickly, then I have attached these videos at the end of this video. You can go and watch these videos for all these solutions. If you like my video, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and like my video. I will bring you another amazing, effective remedy and meet you there in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.